In this video, we will show you how to remove the grinding wheel. First, we will remove the sheet. Then we will remove the grinding wheel cover. Remove this plate. These tools will be provided to you with the machine. Using this tool, loosen the spindle nut. The spindle nut loosens in the clockwise direction. Loose only 2 to 3 threads of the spindle nut. Using this tool, we will take out the grinding wheel. Remove this tool to remove the spindle nut. Pull out the wheel. Now we will show you how to put back the wheel. Tighten the spindle nut. Tighten this sheet. Now finally, tighten the grinding wheel cover.